What's going on, guys? Antonio X Carter here. What do you do when you're not getting sales, when you're not getting conversions, when you're not really getting the results that you desire? I'm going to be showing you that, how to improve on that so that you can take your ads to go from zero to hero in a very short time. This is what the pro and experts do. If you do this, you give yourself the best chance of being successful, regardless of whatever it is, whether you're using Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, or anything else. But in this case, I'm using Maxbounty offers along with Bing ads. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Antonio X Carter here, giving you the goodies, right? I am not getting the results that I want. I haven't gotten any sales. That's because I'm not selling anything yet. Actually, I am promoting an offer. So technically, I'm not getting any sales with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing. I'm in my ClickMagick account, which is my track linking software. This is what tells me what keywords are being clicked on and what's not working. It lets me know when there's a sale. It lets me know when people hit a certain page. All of that stuff. It tracks everything. And I'm here looking and I realize I have gotten a lot of clicks with no results. But I don't want you to panic because this is somewhat normal, okay? This is part of a journey to 1,000 subscribers, building your email list when it comes to paid traffic like Google ads, Facebook ads, or Bing ads. Facebook ads, a lot of people have had issues with, and they keep changing stuff all the time. And there's been a lot of banned accounts. I'm good at Facebook ads. However, I need to master other platforms in case something happens to my Facebook ad account, right? Because all of your business, if you're only using Facebook ads and they shut you down, like, you have no business besides your email address. Like, you just have to work with what you have. You can't do anything else. So stay tuned with what I'm doing here. Pay attention, guys, because you stay to the end. I don't want you to miss anything. Now, as we scroll here, if you guys remember, by the way, if you don't have a ClickMagick account, go ahead and get it right now with my free, with my affiliate link that helps you get 14 days for free. And if you follow everything that I teach in my other videos, not just in this playlist, you should make that money. It's like $20, $29 a month or something like that. Something very stupid cheap. You can generate tons of sales and pay for that monthly after your 14 days. But what you see here is that we have 82 clicks, 82 legit clicks. That's called unique clicks. The 83, somebody clicked on the same link more than once. It's okay. So if we click here, we can see all of our clicks. We can see the time, the date, and all that stuff. Most importantly, we can see the keywords in which they typed in order for our ad to pop up within Bing. You can't do this without this particular track linking software, right? Imagine trying to track stuff without this information. You have no idea what people are typing in. You have no idea what's working. You have no idea what's not working. You only would see a big fat zero for your Maxbounty account and be like, I've been driving traffic to it. Why is it not working? But there is something huge that points out to me right away. Okay, we're promoting an offer that when people put in their email address, is called cost per lead. When they put in their email address and they sign up for the account, I get paid somewhere about, I think it's like $275 or $375 per lead. Really simple, right? Not so easy, at least in this case. If you see here, a person will type legit work from home jobs. Okay, work from home or work from online jobs is the keyword that I used to target that individual. And it's, if I look at everything else, all the keywords that's triggered here is work from home jobs. Okay. It's been driving a ton of clicks. My ad has been working. My ad works very well because if I go back to my campaign at the campaign level, you will notice that my quality score is at a 7 out of 10, right? 10 out of 10 would be the best. 1 out of 10 means that it completely, absolutely sucks. Well, I have a 7 out of 10. I'm currently bidding at 75 cents per click. I feel like I'm winning, right? I'm producing all types of traffic. It's only $5 a day, and there is a ton of traffic being generated. So people are definitely looking for side hustles that involve working from home. Probably not even side hustles in this case, and that's what I'm going to touch on, because everything is work from home jobs, right? And let me sort this by clicks. The things that are generating clicks, I got work from home jobs, or work from home online jobs from work or from home. I keep messing up these words. Work from home online typing jobs, work online jobs at home. Okay, you guys are seeing a trend here, right? Everything work from home jobs, work from home online jobs at home. All that stuff is producing clicks. Here, how to work online jobs and earn money. That only has 2 clicks. And the whole reason that I'm bringing this up is because our offer, right, with Maxbounty is to sign up for paid surveys. This is not a job. It is not something that brings consistent income. It is a side hustle. The funnel that we've created previously in the other videos, go ahead and click the link down below under the video to see like the funnel and everything I created. I created a video within my thank you page that talked about side hustles. Nowhere in the video, nowhere in the funnel, nowhere in the training, nothing involves work from home jobs. I'm not promoting jobs here, okay? If I was doing something and I had an offer that involved work from home jobs, look, I'd be making a killing right now because I am driving traffic like no one's business. This is only going back 7 days. We've been running this traffic for about 2 weeks, right? Get out of here. Boom. So this is huge, right? We need to do one of 2 things. One, we can begin to eliminate stuff that makes no sense, like the typing jobs. I don't want that, right? I'm not, my product and my training, my landing page has nothing to do with typing jobs. So I can go ahead and delete that. And technically I could put this in my negative keywords because anybody who types typing jobs, I don't want my ad popping up. So I can go into negative keywords and say, you know, I can go in here, negative keywords, hit add, and type something about work from home jobs with typing. But that's not what we're going to do at this moment. We're just going to find a few more other things to delete. Look, this has 6 clicks. Delete. And remember, at $5 a day, you're only going to get so much information when it comes to clicks. Now, this is a decent amount of clicks, but as we go through all of our information, right, let's say some of these other keywords may convert really good. Well, we don't have enough money to drop the proper amount of traffic in order to do that. So that's why, if you notice within my Bing Ads free course that I created to help you make your first commission with Clickbank, the link for that's also below. Go ahead and download. There's no trick and no gimmicks. I'm not upselling to make you purchase anything. Just sign up for the class and take it. Look at this. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that, and I don't want that. Right? Because we're not talking about different locations. Right? All of this stuff, it just, we need to be more specific with what we're doing, okay? We're not offering jobs. I lost my train of thought of what I was saying earlier. I apologize. But we just don't need to be doing any of this stuff. So that's, the first way of producing results if you have this problem, right? If you're not getting any sales, any clicks, any, in our case, conversions, any subscribers, this is an issue. We have all of these random things that's not producing. Oh, I know what I was saying earlier. You may also want to increase your ad spend by a few more dollars if you truly want to try and get all this other information, right? $5 is only going to bring so much, because after $5 is spent in the traffic, you've generated so many clicks, it has to stop and begin the same thing, the next day. And if this keyword is producing everything, that means you have the ability to also put this word on pause to see if to keep people from clicking on that word or using that keyword to click on your ad. Then that can possibly be dispersed throughout these other keywords that you got. Now, the second thing, which is what I will most likely do, enable. As we go back, survey 1,000 subscribers, we come down. I need to go to the ad groups section. This is why it's important to test, right? We have work from home keywords. I really need to narrow down the work from home keywords tremendously, especially if I'm only spending $5 a day. Secondly, I need to create another freaking group of different keywords, because I think this is enough information to show us that nobody's opting in, right? Either my landing page sucks, which I know is not the case, because the minimum, you pretty much want to get at least a 20% opt-in rate, right? When people want to click your keyword, your ad, and goes on to your page, which we create through ClickFunnels, typically out of 100 clicks, you should have like 15 to 20 people to 30 opt in. At bare minimum, we've only had one person opt in. So again, my landing page either sucks, my ad sucks, or my keywords suck, which means it's bringing the wrong type of people. I already know the answer to this, but let me break this down to you, right? This, what I'm about to teach you right now, will make you tons of money, and I can charge people tons of money for this very thing right here. And I'm giving it to you guys for free. But I know it's not the landing page because it's a very basic landing page, okay? We're going to eliminate that right now. In the middle, the ad does not suck because the ad is generating tons of clicks. If it wasn't generating clicks, if I didn't have a 7 out of 10 quality score, then I know that my ad is doing okay. I'm producing clicks, guys. You can look over at ClickMagick and notice that I am getting clicks. So now that leads me to the keywords. By the way, work online, jobs at home. That's the keyword that got the conversion. But so that leads us to the last thing, the keywords. It is not the proper customer that needs that, right? The messaging is wrong, okay? If somebody is interested and they are typing in work from home jobs, they are not wanting to, even though they click the ad, once they come to the landing page and it's like, hey, this 5 secret hacks to the best side hustle. They're not looking for a side hustle because they are looking for a work from home job. A side hustle is temporary, only brings a little bit of money. Most people who are looking for a job are looking for stability, 401ks, health benefits, things of that nature. A side hustle is not going to do it, especially if they have a family. They need something solid. So I need to create a different ad group, and I am going to in the next video, okay? So you have to watch for the next video to see how I do some keyword research in order to do some research for side hustles. That's what I'm going to be targeting. individuals specifically who are looking for side hustles to see if we get some better results here, okay? But if you are doing this for a business, if you're doing this for your own business, maybe you have a Shopify page, that is the mindset you want to have, okay? You want to think, okay, is it the ad? Is it the landing page? Or is it the keywords? And if you break it down the way that I just did, then you'll definitely make some conversions. You'll make money. You'll get the desired results. But it takes time, and unfortunately, it takes money. So that's all I got for right now, guys. If you like this type of content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And also watch some of my other previous content. You'll learn a lot. A lot of this information I've paid thousands upon thousands and a lot of money lost due to mistakes made to get to this point. And also, if you're interested in hitting that $3,500 mark per week, I have a link for that down below. There's an advanced Bing course that is being offered by my friend Yvonne Manna. I learned a lot of stuff through him. Okay, I speak to him very often, and he's really doing it. So he goes above and beyond what I teach. All right, and he's definitely a lot more proven than what I am. I also have my free Bing ads course that's down below. And if none of this paid stuff makes any sense to you, if you're not interested or you're tired of spending money, you're more interested in organic ways of hitting 10Ks per month, building your email list and stuff, I got a link for that down below as well. It's considered my #1 recommended source in order to build an online business. But outside of that, guys, thank you so much. Drop some comments down below if you got questions or comments. Let me know. I do reply to everything. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. We'll see you guys in the next video.